The Huawei Mate 70 series was coming, and now we know when. Richard Yu, CEO of the CBG division, revealed the phones will arrive on November 26th. The executive did not reveal more details, but he confirmed a new luxury car brand called Mextro will also debut. Yu revealed the date during an interview at the 2024 Guangzhou Auto Show. The announcement comes as a surprise because Huawei Mobile's social media accounts are still silent on the matter. We expect to see at least 4 phones: Huawei Mate 70, Mate 70 Pro, Mate 70 Pro Plus, and Mate 70 RS Ultimate. All of them should have HarmonyOS Next, Huawei's first OS, which is allegedly not based on an AOSP build. The phones could also introduce a new high-silicon chip, dubbed Kirin 9100. Reports claim it is built on a 6nm node by SMIC, and it may be on par with Snapdragon 888 or the Dimensity 9000.